Sometimes starting afresh can be very inconvenient. You have to let go of everything and start all over again. But the beauty of starting all over again is that you have the opportunity to start from a different level. You can do things you weren't able to do before. You will use the lessons you learned before to improve the new one. Starting again gives you the opportunity to do better. Let go of your past. Let go of the things you've lost. Focus on the now. Focus on creating a better future for yourself. Focus on your goals and dreams. Start planning for today and for your future. Make sure that you plan well so that your future will be better than your past. Do things today that will make your future self proud of you. Do things today that will make your tomorrow self proud of you. Let the work you do now and the person you are now be so good that your future self will be so proud. You have to earn that good life for your future. If you are just sitting and thinking of all you've lost, if you are just there scared to start all over again because you think you won't make it, then you have to know that your future will suffer it. If you do not put in the work now, then your future will definitely pay the price. Stop thinking of the past. Let go of your past losses. Let go of your past pain. Let go of your past and focus on your future. If you keep dwelling on the past, then you are defining yourself based on your past. And you would never truly know who you can be and what you are capable of. Let go of who you were in the past and start focusing on who you will become in future. Wake up every day with a great mindset. See every day as a great opportunity to start all over again. Every day is a gift from God. To wake up and push forward. Every day you wake, it's another opportunity God has given you to build a great future. An opportunity to learn and become the best version of yourself. An opportunity to be great. Every day is a gift. Every morning you wake up, get up and go hard for all that you want. Get up and pursue your dreams. Get up every morning with the mindset of a winner. God has blessed you with life, so make the most of it. Build the best version of you. Be all that you can be. Figure out what you really want. Write down everything you want to achieve. You don't have to have it all to go for it all. You don't need all the money in the world to start something for yourself. All you need is all you have. Start from where you are. Start with whatever you have. Some of you have not started anything because you are waiting for a big door to swing up for you. Some of you are relying on people for your own growth. But if you keep waiting, you will end up wasting your time. You have to start with whatever you have and wherever you are now. Not when things get different. Not when you have what others have. You have to start doing something now with whatever you have and wherever you are. Proverbs 18 verse 16 says, "A man's gift makes room for him." What you were designed to be known for is your gift. God has already given you a gift or a talent that will help you fulfill your vision. Don't be afraid to start all over again. If you have tried several times and it didn't work, then try again. But this time you have to use a different approach. Sit down and find out why the others didn't work out. Learn new ways to improve and try again. You may have limited resources, but that's all you need. You don't need someone to believe in you. You don't need what others have. God has already given you talent and ability. He has put something in your hands. Use what you've got to get what you want. Stop looking at everything you don't have and start looking at all that you have and what you can do with it. You can't experience life in the beautiful way you want to experience it if you don't start something now. It's your good works now that will activate a great future for you tomorrow. To get what you never had, you have to do something you never did. The road to success is always under construction. It is not a plain way. You will fail sometimes and win sometimes. So you have to get ready. Get ready to fall several times and rise several times. Failure is an opportunity to learn and improve. You would never know how powerful you are until you let yourself do powerful things. Where will you be in the next year? What would you be remembered for when you are no longer here? What are you hungry for? What is your passion? What is the goal you have for your life? What are you doing today to earn a great future? Ask yourself questions. Decide what you want for yourself. Do you want to be great or do you want to be ordinary? What are you focusing on right now? Because wherever your focus goes, your energy flows. Are you focusing on the right thing? Are you focusing on the things that will give you a bright future? Whatever decision you make now will either build or destroy your future. Pay a price for your future today. Work for your future. Start all over again. Start from a clean slate today. Do things differently. Make the right plans. Work hard and smart for a great future. If you're not putting in the work today, your future will pay the price. If you don't like how you are living now, then make a decision to do better today. There's nothing you cannot achieve if you focus and work for it. Don't be afraid to start again. Don't be afraid to fail. Get up and do something for yourself.